Have you ever wondered why your mind works the way it does? Why do we sometimes come up with our best ideas when we're not even trying? And why do certain people seem to have a knack for influencing others? The answers to these questions lie in the fascinating world of psychology, the power of the subconscious. Did you know that your mind is constantly working, even when you're asleep? It's like a powerful computer, processing information and forming connections all the time. In fact, many creative breakthroughs happen when our conscious mind takes a break. That's why it's often said that some of our best ideas come to us in the shower or during a quiet walk. The impact of our words and actions, the way we treat others, has a profound impact on our own happiness. When we're kind and compassionate, we not only make others feel good, but we also strengthen our own sense of well-being. The golden rule, treat others as you would like to be treated, is a timeless principle that can help us build stronger relationships and live more fulfilling lives. Stepping outside your comfort zone. One of the best ways to grow as a person is to challenge yourself. By stepping outside of your comfort zone and trying new things, you can discover hidden talents and abilities. Don't be afraid to take risks. Remember, it's often in the moments when we're most vulnerable that we experience the greatest growth. The importance of mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. By cultivating mindfulness, we can reduce stress, improve our focus, and increase our overall sense of well-being. There are many different ways to practice mindfulness, such as meditation, yoga, and spending time in nature. So, the next time you find yourself feeling stuck or overwhelmed, remember the power of your mind. By understanding the principles of psychology, you can unlock your full potential and live a more fulfilling life.